Hello everyone, for today's video, I'm going to show you the navigational chart or the paper chart that we use on board the vessel. So nowadays, we are no longer using this navigational chart, but because this is part of the curriculum of the maritime institutions, so we have no choice kundi pag-aralan pa rin natin yung navigational charts or yung paper charts. Okay, the first thing that we need to know now is the scale of the chart. So the chart is divided into 4 types, namely arbor chart, coastal chart, general chart, and the sailing chart. So let's see what's inside of these types of charts. Here we go. This is an arbor chart. Natin yung kanyang scale. The scale is 1:3,600. So pasok siya doon sa scale na 1:50,000 and larger. So this is a Gibraltar arbor. So makikita ninyo more details ang pinapakita niya. So yung arbors, navigational aids, etc. So the scale of the arbor chart ranges from 1:50,000 and larger. So ibig sabihin, pag sinabi nating larger, it means that it has a small coverage, but it has more details. So this is an arbor chart. Ito naman yung coastal chart. Tingnan natin yung kanyang scale. The scale is 1:150,000. So pasok siya doon sa kanyang range na 1:50,000 to 1:150,000 na scale. So this is the details of the coastal chart. So konti lang yung makikita ninyo ditong details. Some of the navigational aids are visible, pero yung iba hindi. So more on areas ng waters lang siya. And makikita nyo yung mga shorelines and coastlines. So this is our coastal chart. And this is the general chart. So the general chart or this chart has a scale of 1:500,000. So pasok siya doon sa range na 1:150,000 to 100 or 1:600,000 na scale ng general chart. So makikita mo sa general chart, more of bodies of water. So mas malawak yung area ng bodies of water. Ayan. So less din ang details na makikita mo dito. Some navigational aids cannot be seen here. And mostly makikita nyo dito mga lighthouses. Okay, this is our general chart. And lastly, the sailing chart. So this chart has a scale of 1:1,500,000. And pasok siya doon sa range na 1:600,000 and smaller. So as you can see, less details of the navigational aids, no, and some features of the chart ay hindi niya pinapakita dito because it covers a large areas of bodies of water, but it only gives you a less details. Pag sinabi mo kasing smaller chart, ibig sabihin nun, large area coverage but less details. So this is our sailing chart.